Shave Wars.
Day 5 of the Shave Wars between the Mach 3 and the Mach 3 Turbo. Strong hand. I'm going to start with the Mach 3. Do this. Okay, so I'll say that this is the first time I'm feeling a little bit of dullness on this Mach 3 blade. So 5 shaves in. Actually, if you're only doing half the face, it's really like 2.5 shaves in. And I'm feeling just a slight bit of slowdown. Still fine in terms of the shave. No nicks, no tugs, no weepers. Just a little bit rougher than the first 4 shaves. Ooh, you might see a weeper there. Now at the end of yesterday's shave, I did unearth a weeper using this Mach 3. But in all fairness, if you're taking your time and you're letting the device do the job, you won't really have any problems. All right, side 1 is done. Let's head over to the turbo side, weak side. Now the turbo is faring slightly better, but still, you know, I'm noticing it's not a brand new blade. 5 shaves in, guys. 2.5 shaves, if you're being honest. Little grabbing here. So at the end of day 5, I'm still gonna give the edge to the turbo, but I am starting to feel a little bit of wear and tear on these blades. Again, I'm doing half the side or half the face. So really it's 2.5 shaves, guys. Shaving every day. You were to let that stubble grow out, I don't know if you'd really be getting a comfortable 15 shaves, but we'll see. Day 5's in the book. See you tomorrow. Keep pushing play. Shave Wars.